Hi guys and welcome to my cooking channel, hope you're all well. Today we're going to cook fried calamari. It's probably one of my favourite dishes. Actually, most of my dishes are my favourite, I just love food. But this one is really nice. When you're eating into it, I've done it really simple recipe. You're going to think to yourself, oh, I'm not going to do this, it's going to be really difficult to do. It is so simple. And once you've done it, close your eyes, you bite into it, and it'll be like you're in the Mediterranean somewhere. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Squeeze a lemon on it. Oh, delicious, absolutely delicious. Anyway, let's get started. We're going to need about 400 grams of calamari. I basically got these ones which are already just basically the tubes, so I can cut them to shape. You can buy proper calamari. You've got to clean it out properly. You've got to then cut it properly, and which I would do, not a problem. It's pretty straightforward. If you can get that one, get that one. If you can't, get the tubes. Or in the shops, you can get already pre-cut ones, which are much easier. Pre-cut ones, so easy. So you've got options there. All you're going to need for this recipe, all you're going to need is 1 cup of plain flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch or corn flour, whatever you want to call it, and then quarter. Hold on a second. Let me start again. Sorry. 1 cup of plain flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, corn flour, whatever you want to call it, and then 1/4 cup of cornstarch, corn flour, and salt and pepper. That's it. So simple, honestly. It's going to be so easy to do. Firstly, what we've got to do is get the tubes. As I say, if you've got it ready made, you don't need to do all this. Just clean the inside out. I usually just put a knife inside and just scrape out any of the insides that are a bit yucky. Okay, all the tubes are cleaned now, so we've just basically got this now. Just want to cut it into slices about 1 centimetre apart. About 1 centimetre, there we go. Can do it a bit bigger if you want, not a problem, absolutely not a problem. There we go, it's the first lot. And you do that all the way through until you've done them all. Okay, we've cut all the calamari now, all done. I'm just going to pat it dry a little bit, just don't want it too wet. Okay, now that's done, what we're going to add. Oh, wait there, Jake. What we're going to add, 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Forgot to get the sieve out. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Give it a good mix. This is going to give it the crispy feel to it. A lot of people don't bother putting cornstarch on. Some people put egg in it, some people just put flour. Trust me, this will work a treat. There we go. Cornstarch added. Pepper. Good sprinkling of pepper. Some people don't like pepper so much, which is like me. I'm not too keen on it, but it gives it a bit of flavour in this one. Sorry about the squeaking. There we go. And some salt. I like salt. I shouldn't put too much in. There we go. And then we just mix it up. I'm going to use a spoon actually. Okay. That's all mixed up. We'll put this to one side now. Okay, so we're leaving that to one side. Now we get a container. We get a container. We get a container. You can either use a container or one of these food bags. So, 1 cup of plain flour, straight in there. 1/2 cup of cornstarch. It's 1/2 cup. There we go. I would add a little bit more salt into this one. Not much, just a little bit. Done. Just a little bit of pepper as well. It's so noisy, this one. That's done. Give it a little mix. What you do now, add the calamari into it. Where's the lid? Put the lid on top. This is perfect because at least it won't go everywhere. And give it a good mix. shake it around. Give it a good shake. This is going to be the best calamari you'll ever taste, I promise you. I've made it a few times and it's as good as the shop. It's good as going to a restaurant, if not better. I love it. Just squeeze a lemon on it. You can put tartar sauce, you can put sweet chili sauce, anything like that, but just like it simple. Because it's already got the flavour. I love calamari, I love squid. Here we go. Nicely mixed together. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. Done, all mixed together. Now we're going to fry these bad boys. First we put the oil in. Basically I'm using corn oil, but you can use vegetable oil, sunflower oil. There we go. A little bit more, got nothing to lose. There we go. All done. Put it on full power, heat up the oil. Be a couple of minutes. Okay, I think we're ready. Looks really hot. Just do a quick test by throwing a bit of flour in there and see if it sizzles up. Yep, I think that's ready now. Okay. Keep on a reasonably high heat, medium heat now. Keep it warm. Might have to put it up again. Grab a calamari. Get rid of some of that flour off it, and just put it in. There we go. Don't put too much in. Just do a few at a time. No rush. You do too many, it gets all stuck together. One thing I will say, do not leave it in there for long. Probably about a minute or so should be enough. You put it in there any longer, 2 minutes, 3, 4 minutes, it's going to start getting really chewy, and that's not what you want. So just about a minute, it should be fine. Got my mug. Got it from Cyprus when I went out there. Nice. Okay. And what we've got here, a plate with a tissue on it, so that it just soaks in all the oil. Okay, it's been sizzling in there for just over a minute. I say try not to go too much above 2 minutes. There you go, that colour's nice. Just put it on the plate there. Two, 3, 4. Again, about a minute, minute and a half I'd say. It all depends how hot you've got the pan. Okay, once they're all done, there we go. Okay, all done. Transfer it onto the plate. I'm just going to put it on here. Looks a bit posh, doesn't it? Jake. All done. Oh, Jake, what's wrong with you? All you need to do, add a squeeze of lemon, and it will taste absolutely amazing. Actually, even without lemon, it tastes amazing. Let's give this a little go. Let's take a little one. Actually, what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of lemon on it. Here we go. Let's get the sun out of the way. All right, close my eyes. Imagine I'm in the Mediterranean, Cyprus. Absolutely delicious. It's like being on holiday. Yeah. So give it a go. If you like it, subscribe, like. There we go. Not bad, is it? Exactly like it you're going to get in the shop, in the restaurants. Subscribe, like, comment. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. Bye.